How would you like to heal your chronic pain without drugs, injections, or surgery? If so, please come to my July experiential workshop, From Pain to Personal Transformation, Heal Yourself with Tapping and Dreaming at the Art of Living Retreat Center in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains outside of Boone, North Carolina. I'm Dr. Larry Burk, a holistic radiologist and dream tapping coach specializing in MRI, EFT tapping, hypnosis, and dream work as described at larryburkmd.com. As a radiologist, I've read thousands of MRI scans of the spine and joints, and I'm acutely aware of the fact that if I scanned 100 normal asymptomatic volunteers, I would find that a third or more of them would have degenerated discs and herniations, rotator cuff and meniscal tears. However, people with chronic pain assume that their scans show the cause of their pain, when in fact others with the same findings have no pain. Pain is a danger signal warning about a serious illness like cancer or an acute injury requiring a month or so to heal. If your scans show no cancer and you've had pain lasting more than 2 months, it's time to suspect an emotional component causing a persistent neural pathway in your brain. The latest research shows that the brain will substitute chronic pain for a repressed emotional issue that's too difficult to face. EFT tapping is an effective way to interrupt that neural pathway and turn off the dangerous signal. The simplest explanation for how it works is a computer metaphor. An emotional trauma is like a malware program downloaded into your acupuncture meridians and uploaded into the limbic system in your brain, which is the emotional processing center. There's a file there for every emotional trauma with a picture, a story, and a program that runs in your body. To uninstall the malware program with EFT, we repeat the file name to run the program briefly while tapping on the acupuncture points like hitting the delete key over and over again. Once the program is removed, we can check the file. There'll be a picture and a story there, but no program to cause a flashback in your body to the original trauma. Next, we can use self-hypnosis to install a new program that we actually want to restore health and well-being. Sometimes it's difficult to identify the emotional issue at the root of the pain, so it's very useful to keep a dream diary which may reveal the trauma that the conscious mind is good at avoiding. In the workshop, you will learn tapping, self-hypnosis, and dream work to empower you to heal yourself. The workshop is July 26th to 28th, 2019, so check out larryburkmd.com or the artoflivingretreatcenter.org for more information. Hope to see you in the mountains in July. Thanks.